What's up, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today, you can see it's dark, and it's actually Christmas. So Merry Christmas to everybody. So where do I start? Chilling at home, and I had a guy hit me up randomly on Instagram. He's a follower, and turns out he has a 5th gen 4runner. Ended up bending a tie rod over here at Cleghorn. So Cleghorn rescue run or recovery mission is what we're doing today. So it's me, George B. Wrenchin's chilling back there, and we're making our way to him. We got the GPS right there, so we know where he is, and we're mobbing right now. So we're just mobbing through, no airing down, none of that bullshit. It's 1 a.m. Supposed to be at freaking Gold Mountain at 8 o'clock tomorrow, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. Don't know if this is gonna be a YouTube video or a Patreon video, but definitely want to get you guys some kind of footage because who knows what's gonna happen. But either way, we're gonna get mobbing. You guys enjoy the show, see what happens. So in addition to it being Christmas, we actually got a weather storm last night or yesterday or today. Still today, because I haven't gone to sleep yet. But we might catch some snow over here at Cleghorn. So Cleghorn Snow Run Recovery Mission. I'm gonna clickbait the crap out of this video. You guys are gonna be so surprised. Just kidding. You can see all the mud jumping out of my tires. That's awesome. Still continuing up past the first couple obstacles. Looks like we're about almost a mile away from him. So should be there in the next 5 minutes or so. You can see off there, see those red lights? I'm guessing that's our 4runner. We're getting there. And there's our 4runner. Oh, he broke on this one. Damn, that's a bad break. That sucks. This one usually isn't too bad, but hey, shit happens. Happens to the best and the worst of us. Oh yeah, very good. That's the culprit right there. What happened? You just smacked it too hard?
Yeah.
Honestly, that might be the same one as the Tacoma.
Yeah.
You might be able to just swap that.
A few inches later.
Yep. That'll do it.
Is this a leaf spring neutral point?
That's an add leaf right there. Ooh, hammer that bitch back.
Oh, fucking.
There's some kind of scent.
It's not the same.
Oh, it's threaded. It's bigger.
It's bigger. Valiendo verga.
Oh, shit. All right, so we are bending it back.
We can bend it back.
That got me good.
Oh,
The threads. Woo, look at that.
oh shit, shot up on you?
Yeah. Need a fucking leaf spring press.
I know, right?
Take this thing to Atlas.
Let's get in there. Oh my god.
Ah, I did it again. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, just give it consistent little. There it is. There it is. There it is. I think that's as good as it's gonna get.
That's as good as it's gonna get.
That's pretty good.
Well, yeah.
You guys are taking it easy on the way home,
Oh,
right?
for sure, at least.
Throw that sucker right back on. All right, so there it is. 4runner's good to go. Didn't actually fix it, we just bent it back, so they're gonna be able to drive home. They're just gonna have to go and get their own tie rod and get it fixed and aligned and everything like that, but gonna be able to get them off the trail, and they'll be able to drive home as long as they take it slow, which we explained that to them and everything. But quick little video. Shout out to George, man. George came in clutch. There's a reason he call himself George B. Wrenching, because he definitely be wrenching. So big shout out to him, and big shout out to you guys for watching. We're all wrapped up here. That's it. You know, quick little recovery mission, and we're out. It's 2 a.m. That took about, you know, hour and a half, about, you know, with drive time and everything, so not too bad at all. Obviously, as always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You know, get his up for shirts and hoodies and goodies and all that other stuff at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. I'm tired. I'm gonna drive my ass home. I'll see you guys later.